guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle and we are cooking what is it? Saltfish with broad bean and okras and boiled dumpling with sweet potato and Irish potato. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am getting ready to cook some saltfish with butter beans and okra and boiled dumplings with boiled sweet potato and Irish potato. So stay tuned for the video, guys. So the okras, Xavier was washing them for me, and I'm gonna wash the peppers and onions and stuff and cut them up and get ready. So stay tuned for the video, guys.
You did wash off some of the salt?
Yeah. And then I go boiling.
Sometimes.
Yep.
Sometimes you think you wash off the salt and it's still enough salt in it.
That's why, boiling. Yes.
Alright guys, so now we're putting the saltfish to boil. Rochelle will wash off some of the saltfish, try to get out some of the salt. But now it's a boil. I should put it on medium, put it on high. Alright, stay tuned. Everyone need them flour different. I start mine off with a spoon. Alright? Wanna put some cornmeal in there?
Mm-hmm.
Someone for stop.
Stop.
Alright, so I'm gonna need the flour with my spoon. And then afterwards I'm gonna use my hand. And I'm gonna start off with my spoon. Comment below if you like your dumpling, if you like to make your dumpling with just the flour, or you like to put cornmeal in it. And I'll make some real cornmeal dumpling. I will never put a whole heap of cornmeal in this, so let's see. Alright, so I don't want to spoil it today, so I'm gonna take my time. With the spoon same way. Alright, now I'm gonna use my arm. Need it. Alright. There we go. Alright guys, so dumpling, the dough not spoil. Normally I do it a spoil.
But it's very tight.
And if I add more flour to it, let's say tight.
Mm-hmm.
It's tight and slack. Cause every time I need that flour, I eat, it's spoiled. And that's spoiled to that. Alright guys, so today's a good day. Well, today is actually a chill day because what I do at,
So when you go anywhere,
what I do at, I get some okra from my friend and I say, no, I could get some saltfish and cook some butter bean and okra. Saltfish. So that's what we're doing right now.
We're watching The Hunting Wives, the show that is viral.
Eh? A little bit of everything going on in this show, man. No joke. So, you need the need the flour. I guess first I have to make the dumpling them, cause
Really?
she said my dumpling them too ugly. She don't like eat ugly dumpling. So, yeah.
Why do you need?
I know you guys I need whole heap of flour, you know. That's what I guess, don't you?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm gonna say. Why you need so much?
I mean, my ancestors them don't need it, you know.
Yeah, somebody that need it.
And them
Because why you need so much?
Because them I tell me, say, remember I said tomorrow in the morning you go on get up and fry them. So make sure you need enough, you know. So yeah, that's why so much flour I need, so. Well, I needed them flour. Come here, me out of the gym. I made a workout. Good to go. Good to go. Alright guys, stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the okra ready. So I'm just gonna cut the top off.
And
then
the bottom.
you cut the bottom off too?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we just cut the top off. But hey, you want the bottom off? Bottom off. So I'm gonna get them ready.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. This is how everything turns out.